my bouncy friends! Welcome back to AbcFirst Kids! I am Kiki the Kangaroo. Look around! We are in the Magic Fun Park. Today we are going to play and hop with the super letter K. Are you ready? Let's bounce!
Look at the magic booth! Here is big K and here is small k.
Listen to its sound. K. Repeat with Kiki. K.
To write big K, line down in and one slanted line in. For small k, a long line down, then a tiny loop in, and out. Super easy. Time for our fast guessing game. 3, 2, 1. Guess the word. What is this shiny tool? Key.
What is this jumping friend? Kangaroo.
What flies high in the sky? Kite. And who wears this golden crown? King.
K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. K is for kite, flying in the sky. K is for key and king so neat. Bounce with Kiki. K, yippee!
That song was fantastic. Now stand up, my friends. Let's do the magic kangaroo hop. Hop 3 times with Kiki and say #K. Hop 1. #K. Hop 2 K. Hop 3 K.
Wow! You jumped so high! You are amazing! High five! You did an awesome job today! If you loved Kiki and our fun park adventure, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell #FirstYou so you don't miss any fun on AbcFirst Kids. Our next video is going to be super exciting with letter L and a brave dancing lion. See you next time!